Now before we get started removing the belt, it's a great idea to take a look and see which way the belt's routed, just in case it happens to fall off. Once you've taken note of that, go ahead and use your 16 millimeter. Go right on this right here. Spin counterclockwise, remove the belt from the tensioner. We'll leave that just like that. At this point, we're going to remove this right here. That's the mounting bolt for the tensioner. Use your 15 millimeter to remove this bolt. There's our tensioner. Let's install the new tensioner. Line it up with the way it needs to go. Put that bolt through. This isn't something you need to use thread locker on, by the way. Okay, it's bottomed out. A teeny bit more. That feels great. Put the belt down like this. Use your 15 millimeter. Go ahead and turn that counterclockwise and then set it right on. At this point, you want to check all your pulleys to make sure the belt's sitting on flush. Make sure you double check that crank all the way around the bottom. That's super important. This feels great. The next thing you do is start it up, let it run for a second, turn it off, and then double check to make sure everything's still lined up. If it is, you're doing all right.